So guys, for the first method, you want to fully close out of Epic Games Launcher. Now to do that, you want to click on the arrow in your taskbar, then you want to find Epic Games Launcher, you want to right click on it, and then click on Exit. And now you want to find Epic Games Launcher, you want to right click on it, and then click on Properties, and then click on the Compatibility tab. Now you want to select Run this program as administrator, and then click on OK. And now you want to double click on Epic Games Launcher, and then click on Yes. And now if you see a notification asking you if you want to continue with cloud or local, then you want to select local. This should now fix your problem. If that's still not working for the second method, you want to head over to Epic Games, then you want to click on your profile on the top right, and then you want to click on settings. And now once you're on this, you want to untick enable cloud saves. Do this if you want to fully disable cloud syncing. However, if you do want cloud syncing to come back, then you want to untick enable cloud saves and then tick it again. But in your case, if you just want to fully disable it, you just untick it. And no matter which option that you decide to go with, now you just want to fully close out of Epic Games Launcher. So you want to click on the arrow, right click on Epic Games, and then click on Exit. Now you just want to open it back up again. This should now fix your problem.